Let's look at activity 4. Let f of t equals 1 plus 2t plus 5 sine of t, whose graph is given on the right. So over here we see the graph of the function 1 plus 2t plus 5 sine t. And this represents a displacement of a particle from the origin after t seconds. So we have some particle moving along an axis, if you like, and this function tells us how far away from the origin our particle is at any given time. So based on this graph, what can we say about f prime of 2, f prime of 3, and f prime of 6? Well, we are looking at derivatives, and we're looking at derivatives at t equals 2, so that's right here, at t equals 3, that's over here about, and at t equals 6, which is about here. So what can we tell about the derivative? Well, graphically, the derivative is the slope of the function or the slope of the tangent line. So we can draw in little tangent lines at our 3 points. And if I do that carefully, it looks like the first tangent line at t equals 2 looks almost horizontal, and then we have a negative slope at t equals 3 and a positive slope at t equals 6. So we can say that f prime of 2 is approximately equal to 0. F prime of 3, whatever it is, it's less than 0, and f prime of 6 is greater than 0. Now in part B, we want to use a formula to calculate the exact values of these 3 derivatives and then see if we can confirm what the graph told us to begin with. So first thing, we need to find the derivative. So f prime of t is the derivative of 1 plus 2t plus 5 sine t. So the derivative of 1 is 0. The derivative of 2t is 2. And the derivative of 5 sine t is 5 cosine t. So here we have our derivative function. And now we can evaluate it at 2, 3, and 6. So let's see what we get. F prime of 2 then is 2 plus 5 cosine 2. And when you plug that into your calculator, make sure that your calculator is set in radians. So calculus takes place in radians. And you should get approximately minus 0.08. Now, what are the units of this? Well, t is measured is time, and it's measured in seconds. And then the output is the displacement of our particle, and that was measured in feet. So then the units of the minus 0.08 is feet per second. Similarly, f prime of 3 is 2 plus 5 cosine of 3, which is approximately minus 2.95 feet per second. And f prime of 6 is 2 plus 5 cosine of 6, which is approximately 6.8 feet per second. And so yeah, we were right. F prime of 2 is close to 0, f prime of 3 is negative, and f prime of 6 is positive.